This property is a 5-bedroom, 3 full baths, and 1/2 bath, colonial. The list price has recently been reduced to $859,900. Interior features of this property include a separate laundry room, wood flooring, a gas fireplace, a recreation or bonus room, a formal dining room, an eat-in kitchen, a finished basement, built-in bookshelves, crown molding, natural gas heat, a family room, an office, and a workshop. On the outside, this property features an attached garage, a screened-in patio, and a deck. The approximate square footage is 4,100 square feet.